How to promote your YouTube channel. If you have started your YouTube channel recently, expected to just publish content and get a flood of followers without having to do anything, you are incorrect. We have got something to tell you. Simply creating and publishing content, even high quality content, isn't enough. To really get your YouTube channel to take off, you need to promote it. And in this video, I will share with you different tips to how to promote your tip freely. And if you like my content and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more videos to be uploaded and sent to you. First of all, create a content. Creating a content is very important. Create a content worth promoting. Use YouTube SEO, search engine optimization. Build a community. Collaborate with other creators. Run a contest. Promote your YouTube channel on social media. Use hashtag. Promote your YouTube channels on forums. I will go through every one and explain each one elaborately. First of all, how to promote your channel using a content. Yes, we know that we have just told you that the best content in the world won't help if nobody else see. The other side of this, though, is this: nobody is going to watch content that isn't good. So if you want to successfully promote your YouTube channel, you need to fill it with content that's worth promoting otherwise. How to create great content. Choose the right type of YouTube content. Script. Outline your video. Record your video. Edit your video. Upload your video. And an eye-catching thumbnail. Optimize your YouTube video. The simple process for creating YouTube content. Moving to YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, is the easiest way to promote your YouTube channel for free. YouTube is not only a video-based social media platform, it's also the second largest search engine in the world after Google, with millions of searches happening on the platform every month. To make sure that your content is getting found on the platform, you will want to use YouTube SEO. So you are using the right keywords in your headlines, video description, and tags. To find the right keywords for your YouTube content, start with your topic. You can enter the topic in YouTube channel search bar and use the auto suggest to guide your keyword choices. There are also tons of YouTube SEO tools that will help you find the keyword that your audience is looking for, and you can create the right content and optimize it for search. Video titles. Once you have chosen your target keyword, you will want to use it in your video title. Ideally, at the beginning of the title, your video's title is what viewers will see first. So you will need to craft a video title that's both catchy and includes your keywords naturally. Remember that Google will automatically shorten your video's title to 66 characters in search results, so it's best to use the title that fits within that limitations. Tags. Tags quickly tell the YouTube algorithm that your video is about. Keep your tags relevant to your brand and your content. Don't include unrelated tags in the hopes that you will get ranked higher. You might at first, but as viewers bounce away from your content, YouTube's algorithm will adjust your ranking accordingly. Build a community. One of the benefits of creating YouTube content is that it helps set you up as an authority in your niche and industry. People will begin to seek you out of your knowledge. You can keep them engaged by building a community. Building a community on YouTube doesn't have to be complicated. A great way to get started is by simply engaging with our viewers when they comment on your videos, sharing your interest information, and allows adding value to their lives. You can even set up a community section on the platform. Collaborate with other creators. Don't be afraid to collaborate with other YouTubers. and YouTuber influencers. The type of cross promotion is beneficial to both parties and works well to expand your reach. Collaborations are simple. 2 or more YouTubers work together to create a unique video for each of their channel. To make it happen, start by finding another YouTube personality with an overlapping audience, then reach out and make a pitch. Run a contest. Running a contest is one of our favorite ways to promote YouTube channel for free. Contests tend to bring in a lot of attention, and when done correctly will get you more YouTube subscribers without artificially inflating your subscription count with folks who are just there for the contest and aren't really interested in your brand or content. Promote your social media and YouTube channel on social media. In addition to your YouTube presence, you will also need to have profiles on other social media platforms. Don't panic, we don't mean all of them. Just choose the platforms where your audience is most likely to hang out. Facebook and Instagram are still 2 of the most popular social media platforms. So in this section, we are going to share ways to promote your YouTube channel for free on these platforms. Switch moving to Facebook and Instagram, we have to switch to business or creator account. Watch your analytics. Be consistent. Use IGTV. IGTV is Instagram's native video platform. If you want to promote your YouTube channel on Instagram, IGTV is a great way to do it. You can create teaser videos to introduce your YouTube channel and content before sending people to your YouTube channel. Use hashtags. Like many other social media platforms, YouTube uses hashtags for category tagging and search. Use hashtags can make it easier for more people to find your videos. I hope you found my content helpful for you, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more videos to be uploaded and reach you. Thank you and have a nice day.